Hey there, fellow binge watchers. Have you ever wished you could watch your favorite Hulu shows with friends, even if they're in a different city? Well, you're in luck because today, we're breaking down how to use Hulu's Watch Party feature to make that happen. It's a game changer for virtual hangouts and keeping your squad connected through the power of TV. First things first, let's talk about what you need to get started. You'll require a Hulu account with either the no ads plan or the Hulu with live TV subscription, as Watch Party isn't available on the basic ad-supported tier. Don't worry if you don't have it yet, upgrading is straightforward and worth it for this feature alone. Once you're set up, fire up the Hulu app on your computer, smartphone, or tablet. Note that it's currently available on web browsers and some mobile devices, but not on smart TVs yet. Pick the show or movie you want to watch together. Look for the Watch Party icon, which looks like a little group of people, usually next to the play button. Click it to create a new Watch Party session. Hulu will generate a unique link for your party. Copy that and share it with your friends via text, email, or social media. When your pals join, you'll all be synced up, watching the same content at the same time. Plus, there's a built-in chat feature so you can react in real time. Think laughing at jokes or screaming at plot twists together. To make the most of it, ensure everyone has a stable internet connection to avoid lag. It's also a good idea to agree on start times and maybe even theme your watch parties, like horror marathons or comedy specials. One thing to keep in mind: Watch Party works best with groups of up to 8 people, so keep it intimate. There you have it. Watching Hulu with friends is easier than ever. Give it a try for your next movie night and bring the fun back into remote viewing. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below with your favorite show to watch together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.